Invoicing on Stripe is a straightforward process that allows you to bill your customers easily. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating and sending invoices using Stripe. Log into Stripe. Sign into your Stripe account with your credentials. Navigate to Invoicing. From your Stripe dashboard, go to the Invoicing section by selecting Invoices from the left-hand menu. Create a new invoice. Click on the Create Invoice button to start a new invoice. Add customer details. Select an existing customer or create a new one by clicking on Add New Customer. Fill in the customer's name, email, and any additional contact information. Add line items. Click on Add New Item to input the products or services you are invoicing for. Enter the description, quantity, and price for each line item. You can add multiple items if needed. Set payment terms. Specify the payment terms, such as the due date. You can select options like due upon receipt, net 15, or customize the terms. Customize the invoice. Add any additional notes or memos in the provided section. You can also apply any discounts or taxes as necessary. Review and send. Review the invoice to ensure all details are correct. Click on Save and Send to email the invoice directly to your customer. Alternatively, you can save it as a draft or download it as a PDF for manual distribution. Track invoice status. After sending, you can track the status of your invoice in the Invoices section of your Stripe dashboard.